Hi, this is Eric. Welcome to Smart Data episode. So on this episode, what we will be doing is I'll take you through the final project. I will explain what it is and all that. On my previous video, we started about the training, what we'll be training, and um, what we need to do if we don't understand these terms. Just have to go to Google for right now and go and explain that. And Google and learn a little bit. Just get a nutshell, really. We're gonna learn into details in the class. So on this episode, I'll be focusing on the final project. At the end of the class or before we end, meaning towards the end. So we're gonna have about 14 weeks, and around week 10, I think I'll give you guys a final project to more to focus on the project and what you've learned all together. So whenever we'll be running, it will just be individual items. You're gonna just learn Excel. We're gonna leave it alone. You're gonna learn SQL. You're gonna learn how to create a database, how to create tables, views, stored procedure. We're gonna learn how to extract data from multiple sources, transform it, and load to a data warehouse. We're gonna do Power BI visualization. We're gonna learn about dashboards. We're gonna learn about data expressions, and then at the end we're gonna get this project. So it's just gonna be a real scenario where pretty much you're gonna be what you're gonna be doing at work. What we are going to do is we're gonna break you guys into a group of maybe 8 to 10 students, and they're gonna be a team. And you're gonna have like a supervisor, project manager, maybe a SQL developer, SSIS developer, Power BI developer, an Excel expert, and then you guys gonna work together to produce the final project. Okay, so you're gonna be meeting on this like at separate time besides the class and discuss individual and work towards your project. And you're gonna connect. You're gonna use all the skills you've learned over the course of the 10 weeks and pretty much 14 weeks at the end of and then at the end of the day, you have to present in the class for everyone. So you're gonna be a cool project. You're gonna put into a test because now you're gonna put everything you learned in the class into the real world. I can say project. It's gonna make you an expert, and it will help you on towards your job hunting. Okay. More to come, to be honest. It's an easy one, but it take you a lot of time. You're gonna have to deal with people you've never dealt with before. Maybe some people are busy, maybe other people on a different time zone, so even to get everyone together are gonna be hard. But again, using Box, using online platform we're gonna introduce you some more platforms. You can keep track of who is doing what, and having like a good team lead or proper team lead, you will be able to accomplish this. And sometimes we need those kind of challenges. And most of the times, really, when you go to work, you're gonna meet all kinds of people. The good thing is you don't get to choose your team members. Just like when you get hired to work, you're gonna meet people with different personality, with different education level. So even communication may be a little bit challenging, but that's what's gonna build you. That's what's gonna give you an experience to get your dream job. Okay, so I'll stop from here. I don't wanna take much of your time. If you have questions, always you can comment or contact me direct. So on my next video, I'll be discussing about the schedule really so that you understand. And if this is the first video you're watching, please go to the previous videos and see you on my next video. Thank you. Have a nice day.